What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Life with Shayla, and of course I'm your girl Shayla. So today I am going to be bringing you guys a DIY dip powder kit. I will be removing my previous dip powder polish and then doing another dip powder set on myself. Well, not really a set because I'll be using my own nails. So that'll be interesting. But yeah, so I am actually doing a collaboration with my girl Helena Royale. I will be sure to have her information in the description box, and I'll also include a little video of her page and what she does. Homegirl is hella informative when it comes to this YouTube stuff. She gave me a lot of good advice. I appreciate it. So we decided to go ahead and do this collab. I am both of us actually will be using Amazon products, and she will be doing a full set. I'm pretty sure she'll be doing a full set, so that'll be different because I'll be using my nails versus she'll be doing hers with a full set. So if you guys would like to see how I remove my dip powder and do another set of dip powder nails, then stay tuned. I'll also give you guys a little sneak peek of what the outcome is going to be. Ooh, colorful, sis. Yeah, so stay tuned if you'd like to see how I accomplish this dip powder set at home. I'll go ahead and put some links in the description down below as far as to where I got the products from, even though you can find them all on Amazon. Don't forget to check that description box down below and check out my girl Helena Royale page. She'll keep you entertained. Sis is funny. Go check out some of her videos. She had me dying. She got that energy. And she gonna hit y'all with this dip powder. So if you want to see how to do it with a full set, then definitely go check her out. Even if you don't want to see the full set, check out her dip powder kit. Okay, stay tuned and we'll get this video started. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with some of the products that I use. This is just some acetone fingernail polish remover. That's what I use to soak my nails in. Then you have the brush right here. That is what I use to dust the extra powder off. Have this little drill. That's what I use to drill off the top coat of my dip powder. Then this file. You guys will see all that in the video, but these are the colors that I use. This is the Kiara Sky, the Neon kit. Colors are hella popping, y'all. I love it. And then this is actually something that I'm trying for the first time. This is 2, 3, and 4. Number 1 is the brush saver. I don't really have a need for that. So number 2 is going to be the base. Number 3 is the activator. And number 4 is the top coat. So if you guys have done dip powder nails before, then you will know what that's all about. But these are majority of the products that I use today in this video. If you guys have any questions about them, please be sure to drop that in the comment box down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. But stay tuned. We are about to get into this video and get these nails popping, sis. Alright guys, we are jumping right in. First, I am starting with the dip base. I am coating my nail with that before I dip it into the powder. I do not coat the entire nail on the first go round because I don't want the bottom to be all extra thick. So I definitely try and leave the bottom off the first time. And then after that, I definitely do go ahead and paint the whole nail with the dip base and then dip it. You guys will see that once I get to the blue nail. I'll show you guys a little up close. Now I do dip my nail 3 times. Now that is totally up to you based on the thickness that you like, and the color you are trying to achieve will determine on how many times you actually dip the nail into the powder. Alright guys, so here's the nail I wanted to show you guys, to show you that I do not start at the very bottom on the first layer. Like I said before, that really helps me just to keep the thickness at the bottom of the base of the nail pretty thin. I like it that way. I do it every time I do my nails. I also do want to give you guys a PSA. Remember, I am not a professional. This is definitely a DIY. I do not do nails, but I mean, the dip powder is really easy as long as you just kind of like take your time. You want to make sure that you're putting the base on your nail. If you get that like anywhere besides your nail, you want to wipe it up quick because it does harden. And when you stick your finger into that dip powder, wherever that base dip is, you will have powder there as well. Trust me, it took me at least like 2 or 3 times of doing these DIY dip powder nails at home before I finally got it and understood it. So look sis, be careful when you painting that dip base on, for real, for real. Step 3 here is going to be your activator. Now this is what you will coat your nail with after you have finished your dip. This actually will go and harden your nail so you can prepare to go ahead, file, shape, and do everything you need to do to your nail. So now that you finally have all your nails with the dip powder, you put your activator on. Now you want to go ahead and file your nails, shape them. This is the time that you will use to try and get rid of any excess dip powder. If you already put the activator on, it definitely may be a little hard, but still just work at it until you feel like you are content with the final product that you are going to get. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the 4th step. This is going to be your top coat. So after you have put your dip powder on, you have now used the activator to harden the nails. You've already took the time to file, shape, and do all that good stuff. You will do your top coat. This top coat is going to make it nice, shiny, and extra pretty, and it definitely look good on these neon nails, baby. But anyways, so once you put that top coat on, you literally just let it dry for a minute and you are good to go. We finally finished the first hand. Yay! So I am now moving on to the second hand. Mind you guys, I am very much so right-handed, so this was a task. It was a serious task, y'all. I swear when I'm doing my right hand, I have to really concentrate because my left hand don't work like the right one, baby. Not even a little bit. But I am going to be repeating the steps over again on this side. I did fast forward through a lot of the clips, so definitely go ahead and finish this video out. See how I did the right hand. I will definitely show you the final products at the end, and please do not forget to check that description box to check out my girl Helena Royale's page. Like I've said, this is a collab with her. She is also doing that dip powder video. She got that full set popping for y'all. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. While you're there, be sure to check out some more of her content. Hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel. You can even turn on that notification bell. She is coming back and she's going to be better than ever. But I don't want to bore you guys, so I am going to let the video play out. I hope you guys enjoy, and these products will be listed in the description bar down below. Remember, they did come from Amazon. Kiara Sky also has their own website as well, but check that description box so y'all can check out my girl's channel. What's up, guys? I hope y'all enjoyed that video. When I tell y'all these neon colors are popping, baby, they are popping, okay? Like, just check that out, y'all. So bright, so vibrant. Like, baby, get you some of this dip powder. I mean, when the quarantine and stuff is going on, you can't get to the nail shops. Do it yourself at home. It's super easy. Yes, it does get a little messy with the powder, but get you a towel or a napkin, put up under there, and it's an easy cleanup. But I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to go check out my girl Helena Royale's channel. And be sure to check out her dip powder video. It's gonna be popping. I'm telling y'all right now. Like, it's gonna be popping. So what are you waiting for? Go check out her channel. Until then, I'll catch you guys in my next video.